Welcome everyone, Elle Wilson here. It's great to be with you. We are going to be looking at something really quite amazing today. It's on your screen, and this is what our TrueBrow specialists around the world are dealing with right now. Now, I predicted this probably at the beginning of the PMU epidemic around the world, and we are now right in the center of supporting these women that so often are feeling shame. They're feeling in a way so like almost like hiding, really, because of the effects that microblading and PMU has had on their brows. Now, I'm a very open person, and you would know that by now, and if you don't, I hope that you get to see that in me, that I'm very, very open to new ideas and things that come in that are coming in from a space of goodness and that are transparent. And that's what TrueBrow really stands for, transparency, so that the woman truly that is lying on our specialist tables, our treatment tables, is truly informed 100% of any risks, which TrueBrow really doesn't have, or anything that she needs to make an empowered decision about, because this is really all about you. So the prediction that I made is now a reality. Our girls are dealing with these girls that are feeling really quite disturbed. Some of them are, more than, like beauty treatments are not meant to take us down to that emotional path. It's supposed to actually make us feel more beautiful, but these girls are feeling ostracized in a way too, because they're being told often that the issues with their microblading or PMU, any type of PMU, is because of their skin types or whatever. But at the end of the day, let's just be real, let's be transparent, let's be clear, and just talk about the facts. This girl here has had her brows microbladed, and you can actually see that. I'm going to show you exactly where that is. You can see it, all the grey all along here. You can also see very, very clearly, and I'm going to show you this so that it's clear to you, that this particular brow started to slightly fade, and I don't know if it's fading or if just actually in fact what's happened, and you're going to see it with my dots because I'm going to remove these lines. It just wasn't done correctly in the first place. You also can see that when you're looking at this brow that, we're looking at it's really wonky. Like, we've got a lot of, work to do at TrueBrow when a client like this comes in, a woman really seeking support and help. The other thing that we can see is the angles of this brow are completely wrong, and even the height, we call that the peak point. That's our language that we use at TrueBrow, which I created many, many years ago to give premium eyebrow treatments for the natural brow a specific language, because the brow does have its own language, expresses so many things to the people that it comes in contact with every single day, and it is coming in contact with people. This is extraordinary, isn't it, when you think about that? So just this area here of this brow is really causing friction on this girl's face, and maybe it looked good on Instagram when it was first done, but we don't care about what happens in the first month. We care about what happens to this face, this face for the next like the term of this girl's life. Like, how is her beauty affected? And this is why I have so much to talk about when it comes to PMU, tattooing and microblading, and I can't stay silent. I don't want to go into the space of criticism or judgments. We just want to talk about the facts. There's a big difference. Some people hear facts as criticism. Some people hear facts as judgments, or somehow they take them personally. But when we're professionals in this industry and we're dealing with the faces of women all around the world, we owe it to ourselves to ascend above these ideas that facts can be are critical. Like, we've heard about constructive criticism. Let's take the word criticism out and let's just look at what's constructive. And when we look at this, there's nothing constructive about this. Yeah. So I want to take you to, you can see, before I leave, you can see all through here, this is all grey. So she wakes up every day with all the grey everywhere. The angles are just causing her to look quite surprised. You can see also she's probably lifting her brows a little bit here, but even still, You know, we want to look at everything. We want to be really transparent and clean and clear. This is how we get to the bottom of things and how we make women at TrueBrow look and feel beautiful. That's all our focus is about, timelessly, for the rest of her natural life, right? Not just for a moment. We're not into the quick fixes.